Just got to where we're putting in on the Limay River. This is our guide, Alyosha. Say hello to the people.
On your trip.
That's right.
Our mighty skiff. See how fast moving this river is. Not waiting in
This one's nice.
Fish on.
Than the previous one. Yeah, just keep pulling, keep pulling. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
Yes! I'm making a video. I'm taking a video.
A beauty.
Hey, you want to keep recording while I land it? Yeah, just...
All right. First adult fish of the day.
Yeah.
All right. Fish landed.
Okay, that's it.
Beautiful fish.
Ready to take pictures?
Yeah.
Just grab it. Yeah, if you can, that's a very good idea.
Yeah.
Excellent. You take the pictures, or shall I take the pictures? Okay.
You can take a pic.
Yes.
Yeah, what a beautiful fish.
That's fantastic. Okay, now you can release it. I will record the release. Yeah, just... Okay.
All right. First fish of the day. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, that's the adventure.
Still on it, I think.
Wait, keep going, keep going.
Maybe he's under a rock.
What?
Maybe he's under a rock.
I don't know. No, it's a fish. It's
Yeah,
a fish.
okay, there he is. Yeah, buddy. A little fight in him. All right.
Right.
Bigger than the last one.
Okay, wash your hands
Yeah.
quickly. Excellent.
All right.
You
Yeah.
taking a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, hold it that way.
Nice.
Excellent.
All
Excellent,
right.
bro.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Got it. You never know in which direction. Take off your right hand. Take off your right hand from the line. Only the wheel, okay?
Yep.
Yep. Keep going, keep going.
Come on, Bobby.
See ya?
Nope.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Looks like you did it. Wait, forward the water.
Feels pretty good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah.
Remember the wheel.
Uh-huh.
Reel in everything that you have,
Uh-huh.
almost everything that you can, that you possibly can.
Yeah.
Man's got a big one on board.
Shit. Now wait, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Keep the tension, keep the tension.
I mean, it felt big. I don't know. I don't know if it is big, but
It's gonna work, it's gonna work. It's gonna be a bit. Yes. Keep it that way. Wait, lift it a bit. Lift the rod a bit. Lift the rod a bit.
Nice. This is the day right there,
Yeah.
baby.
That's it.
Wow.
yes, sir.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish.
Yeah, boy.
Just grab it. Just grab it.
Okay.
Now you really need both hands to grab that one. Yeah, just grab it. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. Excellent. Okay. Try to move it more to fuck it. More to your right, more to your right, more to your right.
Got him. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Tappy Johnson.
Okay, I'm gonna roll up.
Name's on another giant trout.
How big a boy are you? Son of a...
Hold the rod to the right. Excellent. You want to pull it into the slower turn, you know. Okay, now to the left. Excellent. Fantastic. Now just above you. It's okay. Excellent. Now we
Like three?
put it in the slower turn. That's basically the goal.